My redo on Charlie Morningstar from Hasbin Hotel AK. I made the blazer more whiter than the reddish pink. I made the sleeves the same color since the original one has that as well. I added a skirt instead of the undershirt showing. I made the hand bigger and added vitiligo since I did that in my Old Charlie redesign. Goat feet plus vitiligo. Changed up the eye size and made the dot bang see-through, showing more of the bow plus half of the neck. Made her a little bit bigger. Head thingy plus bun. Some more of the bangs. More of the bun plus head thingy. Sleeve. Relocated the hand. Lilith colored pant leg. Pant leg plus more of the skirt. Revealing more of the blazer. Revealing the upper blazer plus sleeve. More hair plus face. Ignore the fact I forgot to add the cheeks, I what to put here. BOWWWW and neck. More blazer revealing. Sleeve. I genuinely don't know what to put here. That's it. BYE by Little Stars.